Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down completely and removing any power source. This prevents shorts. Ground yourself and use a strap or touch metal. Once done, remove visible screws and use plastic pry tools to lift the bezel. Work slowly in one direction to avoid snaps. Make sure to keep screws organized. Open enough to access the LCD connector. Do not force the panel free. You're creating safe access, so you can inspect ribbon cables and connectors in the next step. Once the panel is open, inspect the flex cable and its connector under good light. Visible damage or loose seating causes lines. Use a lint-free swab and 90% isopropyl to remove corrosion and dust. Let it dry completely. Open the zero insertion force latch, align the cable straight, and push it in until it clicks, then close the latch. After reconnecting, power on briefly to check if lines changed. If partial improvement occurs, you know it was a connection issue. You now reassemble carefully. Align the panel, tighten screws evenly, and snap the bezel back into place. Power on and run a test pattern or extended desktop to verify line removal. This confirms success. If lines persist, perform a driver reset or firmware display test if supported. As a key troubleshooting tip, connect an external monitor or swap the ribbon cable. If the external stays clean, the panel is at fault, and replacing the LCD or cable is the next step. Document results for parts ordering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.